As the provincial election approaches, CHCH News' coverage of local candidates continues. Eric Vienneau spoke with two of the candidates for Niagara Falls today, who both say a major issue facing not only the Falls but the whole Niagara region is healthcare.
NDP MPP incumbent Wayne Gates has been in office since 2014. He says he has a laundry list of issues he wants to keep working at if re-elected.
I want to make sure that Niagara gets two-way, all-day GO train all the way to Niagara Falls. I want to make sure that our hospital, which is being built, it's about 3.5 years away, I want to make sure that it gets finished. It gets finished with local workers, local engineers. And the one that I'm really fighting for right now is our urgent care center in Fort Erie.
Gates says the urgent care center used to be open 24/7, but those hours were reduced in 2023 due to a severe staffing shortage.
In the province of Ontario, we have 2.4 million people without a family doctor, and in Niagara, we're short 106 family doctors today as we speak here. So we got to make sure we're investing in getting more doctors, getting more trained doctors as quick as possible, but making sure we open up our urgent care centers and making sure that nobody's dying in our emergency rooms in an undignified manner.
And with Niagara Falls being a border city, Gates says the U.S. tariffs are top of mind as well.
We should all be working together. You see my sign behind here that people are putting up all over the riding, buy local, buy Canadian. We should make sure that we're doing that every day.
Meanwhile, the Liberal candidate for Niagara Falls is Shafoli Kapoor. She moved to Canada from India in 2009 and is an immigration lawyer. This is her first time running for office, and she's from Toronto and doesn't currently live in Niagara permanently.
Why it's Niagara Falls? You know what, now that I'm running for Niagara Falls and I look back, it shouldn't and wouldn't be any other community, to be honest.
Kapoor says she has been interacting with the community constantly. She says the #1 concern she is hearing from residents is a lack of access to health care.
Right now also we're standing right here behind the new site for the hospital, and this is going to be up and running in 2029. I was at a breakfast meeting yesterday in Niagara-on-the-Lake, and the people there in the community were upset that there's not even a diagnostic center in Niagara-on-the-Lake.
Kapoor says she is living in the area for her campaign, but says she will move here permanently if elected.
We've had an incumbent who's been here 3 terms, but the problems persist. And unless the people of Niagara Falls give an opportunity to somebody else, they will never know what somebody else can bring to the table.
Now, the Green Party says its candidate for Niagara Falls, Celia Taylor, is not available for interviews. Jody Burdett is running as an independent, and Gary Dumelli is running for the new Blue Party. Meanwhile, the PC Party says its candidate, Ruth Ann Newsteeg, was busy door-knocking today and could not do an interview. Aside from Sam Oosterhoff, 3 local PC candidates have so far refused an interview with us for our riding profiles.